Hi, how are you everyone? Today I will show you a project in which we will rewind the armature of a grinder and generate free energy from it and run a bulb and mobile charger. This project is not only interesting, but it will also teach you about the importance of energy. First, we will rewind the armature of the grinder for this. We will use copper wire and carefully wind the wire in the slots of the armature. This process can be a bit challenging, but with patience and carefulness, we can complete it successfully. Circuit assembly. Now we will assemble the circuit. We will use a diode, a capacitor, and a voltage regulator to stabilize the generated energy. This circuit will help us to efficiently use the generated energy. Now we will test the circuit. We will connect a bulb and mobile charger and see if they are working. It will be interesting to see how our generated energy is powering these devices. You have seen how we can rewind the armature of a grinder and generate free energy from it and run a bulb and mobile charger. This project will teach you about the importance of energy and inspire you with new ideas. Do you like this script? Do you need any other help? Do you want to implement this project in real life?